Have you ever played the game Opposites? It's a fun way to play with words, but also a fantastic exercise for your creativity. Today, we've got a unique twist on this game that's going to take your imagination on a wild ride. Here's how it works. We'll start with a simple sentence like this one. The cat sat on the mat. Then, we'll do something interesting. We'll transform each word in the sentence into its opposite. For example, a dog stood off the table. Sometimes you'll encounter words that don't have a clear opposite, like mat. That's when your creative genius comes into play. What's the best opposite for mat? And we're not stopping here. Now, transform each word in your second sentence into its opposite. Like this, a bug flies above the ceiling. Remember, there is no repeating words. You can't change dog back to cat. We're going to keep going until the sentence becomes utterly nonsensical. Like the elephant swims below the ground. And one more time for good measure, the mouse sunk atop the clouds. But wait, there's more. Once you've got your nonsensical sentence, here's the ultimate challenge. Turn it into a story, a poem, a newspaper headline, or any other creative form. Can you take your absurd sentence and make it come alive? Are you ready to take on the challenge and turn chaos into creativity? Let's play opposites.